students, last lesson we are discussed about one of the new lesson, that is inventions and discoveries. So in this class we are discussing next one lesson, 7th lesson in your class in 5th standard, that is the explorers. Because of what they invented in ancient time, they used the materials and they discovered by so many of new world or new countries or new place in our earth. For example, we can see in India there are some Europeans, they came to India and they started to rule. So how they started to rule? Because of one of the important influence, that is explorers. So when the sea voyagers or navigators, when they discovered by India, so Europeans, they came to India and they started to rule. Not only India, we can see so many of countries under the control of European continents. So in this class, on that base we are discussing who are the explorers, means who are sea navigators, or who are the person they discovered by new land based on sea route, and which purpose or what reason for they came and they researched or they discovered by the particular land. So these are the matters we are discussing in this lesson. First one, who are the person they discovered by new land, and next one we are discussing which land and what purpose they came to discover by that particular land. So these matters for only we are discussing in this whole lesson. So beginning here they given this exploration or this one discoveries of new land started in the year of 1400. So after the 1400 years, on the time, people, especially European countries peoples, they started discover by new lands. So now we want to know why they came or why they discovered by these type of land. So here they given in your textbook, there are three important reasons. First one here they given because of first one here they saying Europeans, they started new route to India, especially Asian countries. In that especially Asian countries, they given more interest about only India. Because of before that one, till 1453, Europeans, they started business with Asian countries, but they started business with a land route. With land route in only, they started by, they exported the things and they some of the things they imported also. So this like of business going on till 1453. So after 1453, one of the major incident happened in our history, that is the attack of Constantinople. So when Turkeys they attacked or they captured by the Constantinople, so after that the land route was closed. Why the land route was closed? Because of Turkeys, they thought that only Europeans they getting the profit. So we want to put heavy tax. If any one person, if they taking the food with the route of Constantinople, we want to fix a tax that particular person. That also heavy tax. Because of only they only getting the profit. We are not getting. They are using our land, but we are not getting any income. So on that purpose, Turkeys they captured by Constantinople at the year of 1453. So when they captured by Turkeys, till that much time, Europeans they did the transport or they did the business with the land route with of Constantinople. So when the route was closed, now one of the important challenge happened to Europeans. They want to find any other solution for their particular business. Means they want to need any other route to continue the business with Asian countries. So this is the one of the important reason. So here that only they are saying in first one reason is that only they say land route was closed. So when this one land route was closed, so they want to find down another route because of they need the things. Europeans, they need Asian goods. Without the Asian goods, they cannot live. That much of necessity things they are getting in Asian continents. So this is one of the important reasons. So they discovered by sea route. Okay, second one point here they given, second one reason, that is on that time European peoples, they are well knowledgeable peoples and always they studying or they thinking always scientific method. Till that much time peoples they believed that the earth shape is flat. The shape of earth is flat, that like they believed. So after that, when the revolution is started in European countries, so after that peoples they understand not only European continent, we can see some other countries or some other peoples also are there in our earth. We want to find them. So this is also one of the important reason. So peoples they attracted by want to see new lands or new peoples or new climate condition. So in that purpose for also peoples they started by sea navigate, or they started by find a new places. So this is second reason. Okay, third one here they given, because of on that time European countries, in the countries between they started by competition. Who is most powerful in our country, in our continent? So on that purpose for each country of European continents, they started to capture other new places. Because of they want to show we have large area, we only strong in our country. So that like they want to show to other countries, other European countries. So in that purpose for they started by sea route to discover a new lands. Because of they want to become a richer, means rich persons, rich country, and they want to show we only strong in our country. Other countries they want to listen what we are saying, that only other countries they want to do. So they want to do means we want to capture other small countries. We want to show we have this much of countries in our under the control. So others they listening. So on that purpose they started by discoveries of new lands. So that like they saying, and who are they started by discoveries of new lands? By a sea route. By a sea route, who are the peoples they came and they started by the discoveries of new lands? For them give a name as a explorer. So now we understood who are explorer. Explorer means who are they came in sea route and they find the new places. So for them we are given name as a explorer. So that like they saying. And next one here they saying, and when they started these like of discoveries, already I told after the 1400 years. So after 1400 years they started by find a new places. And here is saying they have some of the advantages. So on that purpose for only they started by find a new places. Because of we can see sea route, if you are going in sea, that is not an easy way. We can see there are so much of problems in sea or in a water body. We could not go easily on that sea because of we not have any directions. We cannot get any particular structure in that sea. We cannot get any landmark in that particular sea. So on that purpose they have some of the facilities. So when they got the facility, Europeans, especially Europeans, they started by sea route. So what was the facilities they got? So first one here they given. First one is better ships. They built by big ships. So this was one of the important reason. One is better ships, big ships. They can go securely in on the ship. So this one. Second one here they saying improved maps. They create the maps. Which direction we are going to, we can reach the particular place. They prepare the maps. So this is also one of the important matter or things. And third one here they given new navigational instruments. They got some of the navigational instruments. For example, compass. Compass means that one showing northeast directions. And they use some of the gunpowders to to boil a food or to protect for them. So they got some of the new instruments. So they used these are the instruments and they started by explore to new lands. So these like they started by find the new places. So now we want to know who are the peoples they discovered by these are the lands. Who are the peoples they came and they discovered by these are the lands, means including India also. European peoples only they discovered, because before 1400 years they don't know is one of the important country, that is India. No, we also don't know. Without the India, we can see other countries, that is most developed country. We also could not know about these are the matters. So that means now we want to know who are the peoples they discovered by, or who are the important explorers came in European countries, or they discovered by some of the new places. So here they given important names. First one here they given Christopher Columbus. Second one Ferdinand Magellan, Bartholomew Dias, Vasco da Gama and Marco Polo. So these are the 5 important members came a important explorer and they discovered by new sea route. Christopher Columbus, Bartholomew Dias, Ferdinand Magellan, Vasco da Gama and Marco Polo. And especially here who is given more contribution to find a new sea route, that is Marco Polo, because of before 1400 years Marco Polo is given the report to European countries. So what he given the report, what are the things we need in our country, especially spices. We can see lot of spices in Asian countries, especially in South, in China and India. So when he given the report, so on that based other 4 members they started to discovery of these countries. So now we are understood who are explorer and why they discovered by new sea route. And next one point we have discussed, who are the peoples they came to find a new sea route. So next class we can discuss about who are the peoples they came, no, what was the achievements they done, and what are the places they discovered. So these are the matters we can discuss in next class. Okay, thank you.